That's a good thing. The next thing that you should look at, I think around dark time, should be Asia Teak. And it's basically another type of restaurant where it has, not a restaurant, but it's like an open market where you have a bunch of restaurants. You have a nice Ferris wheel they can go on. And you also have these like antique shops. And it's really interesting and looks pretty cool at night, if I'm being pretty honest, especially when it's raining. And boy, is it raining today. It has been pouring since 4. So yeah, it's been raining for a couple of hours, but this place is definitely worth a visit just to see what it looks like and food tastes like. I heard it's really good here, so we're going to be trying a lot of different foods, and I'll be showing you guys what that looks like in this surrounding area as well. considered the tallest building in Bangkok, standing at 78 floors, and that's estimated around 314 meters high. Wow, it is getting closer to sunset. Oh, this is definitely a place that you must come around this time of the day, but I will say it starts raining here around this rainy season, around like 5 p.m. onwards, but it's definitely worth it with all the different clouds, with the different like glows that you can get from the aftermath of the rain. Because, oh, it is stunning. I'm definitely 100% impressed with this place.